हेलो। हाँ बाबा बोलिए ना। टिकट बुक करना था। अच्छा पुणे पुणे से अहमदाबाद। हाँ हाँ हो जाएगा बुक हो जाएगा। हाँ हाँ मैं अभी 2 मिनट में करके देता हूँ। हाँ हाँ ठीक है बाय। चलो अभी जल्दी से टिकट बुक कर लेते हैं यार। यहाँ पे तो बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं। 2010 कितना होता है? टिकट ही नहीं दिखा रहा। इसमें तो बहुत टाइम लग रहा है यार। अरे इतना टाइम लग रहा है लोड होने में। तत्काल में होता तो पता नहीं क्या करता मैं।
So here it feels like the lack of onboarding or intuitive guidance can confuse users. And like clear tooltips or default settings would help to make things super clear. With no filters or grouping, this whole list feels super overwhelming. Users would benefit from better sorting or prioritization of direct trains or categorizing options by time. So when I tap on a waitlisted train, I expect to see a bunch of booking options, or at least alternatives. So instead, it's directly taking me to the passenger detail page, which can be super confusing for the users. This here could also use a clear CTA button like book here or book now. Here's where the user might get frustrated. The system doesn't give helpful feedback for username creation. A simple solution could be dynamic validation. Like for example, if the user starts typing, the app can suggest if the username is valid or not in real time. It could also recommend options like add a number or special character. This here is a common UX issue. Users are forced to do repeating actions, which makes the process feel unnecessarily long. And here's what could change. Save the search inputs temporarily so users can pick up where they left off after registering. Even better is offer a guest checkout option so registration isn't mandatory and the user gets to the goal faster. So IRCTC has an option to add and save passenger details. But the user might not be aware of this feature and they might be just filling in information every time they land on the page. For the user, seat selection could also be simplified with clearer labels and perhaps even a seat map that shows which seats are available. The way it's presented right now, like this, can make the process more stressful for the users who aren't even aware what each seat type means. So, slow loading times combined with the need to refresh the ticket availability manually, like here, only adds to user frustration. So most of the usability challenges that come up, whether it's long list of trains or slow loading times or a very complex registration process, these can be identified early on with a UX assessment. Research shows that 80 to 85% of issues can show up without the need to involve an actual user. A thorough UX assessment helps identify pain points early on before they reach the end user. This saves time, resources, and effort. Instead of waiting for users to report the issues, investing in an assessment upfront saves time and money and huge amounts of effort. This leads to a better product, fewer iterations, and happy users. It's a win-win for both parties.